This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to the fastest ever part of the GT build. I say fastest ever, we've done other ones that are just as fast, no doubt. There's no building in this one, so we'll have a flick through the magazine, and then we'll look at the parts, and then we'll move on and wait for the next delivery. The Fiesta WRC World Rally Championships, I believe. It certainly looks rally-ish with all the picture and stuff. If you do want to read the words, then you'll have to pause and zoom in and read them all. But yeah, I'm not going to read them myself. Yeah, I did like the rally games, but rally driving personally, no, you can keep it. So yes, this is the start of the left rear wheel, the outer and wing nut. Yeah, we've seen it before, but there it is. I'm not even going to open it out of the packet in this one because it's just going to sit there for another month until the next package arrives. So that will go safely into the parts with the rest of the build. And basically until the next delivery comes in and we do something with it. It's got, what we're looking at there, Firestone versus Goodyear, looking at the tyres. Who uses what? Fair enough, you can read all about that. So that is it. A quick, very, very quick episode this time. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you again to DeAgostini for sending me the kit so I can do very quick videos like this. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for more. Bye-bye for now.